Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi Super Sudoku puzzle on July 6, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column E, column G, and 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 can come here. 10th row and 8th row we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will go to one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row, column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Now 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. These cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9, it will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 will come in any one of these cells. You confirm later. Then column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 9, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 9. Second row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 3 and 8, we will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 6. Column H, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Then only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3 and 6 we will confirm later. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 9. Third row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 1. 4th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th grid, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, and 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 2nd grid, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 4. 10th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Then column H, only one number remaining, 4 is confirm here. The ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. 7th row, 6th row, we give 2, column I also we give 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we get 3 and 4, so 3 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.